I request you to write down the problem which we are going to solve today. Okay, take the problem. At a certain at a certain at a certain non-flow at a certain non-flow at certain non-flow non-cyclic process non-cyclic process, the relation between pressure and volume is given by is given by the equation given by the equation P is equal to P is equal to 1/4 V square 1/4 V square 1/4 V square plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. The change in volume is registered as V1 is equal to 0.1 meter cube and V2 0.1 meter cube to 0.8 meter cube. 0.8 meter cube. Full stop. Heat was noticed. Heat was noticed. Heat was noticed to be flowing out, to be flowing what out heat was noticed to be flowing out as 50 kilojoule as 50 kilojoule 50 kilojoule. Determine the change in internal energy, change in internal energy, change in internal energy, change in internal energy. So this is a example. We will have to find out the change in internal energy. The change in internal energy means we need to find out delta U. Okay. Change in internal energy we need to find out in this particular equation. Now, my friend, the equation of the pressure is given here. That is 1/4 V square plus 3. The initial volume is also provided, that is 0.1 meter cube, and final volume V2 is 0.8 meter cube. Now here heat is flowing out. जो हीट है वो सिस्टम से क्या हो रही है, बाहर जा रही है. Now can anybody tell me when heat is flowing out whether we will have to take it as a positive or negative? When heat is flowing out of system, heat is flowing out means it is rejected. So rejected heat we will have to take positive or negative?
Negative.
Absolutely correct.
Negative.
It is negative. So it is minus 50 kilojoule. Correct. And we will have to find out the delta U. Now we will have to solve this particular problem. And here we will start our solution. Now friends, first of all, keep in mind, we will write the equation to find out the delta U. Delta U is nothing but delta Q, which is equal to this delta U plus W. That is the equation. Now, which things they have given? They have provided the heat. We want to calculate the delta U. So we are in search of W. W means what?
Work done.
Work done. And this work done can be given by the formula W is equal to integration of V1 to V2 P dV. Okay. Now, if we want to find out the value of delta U, we must know the value of W. Okay. Number of unknown should be equal to number of equation. Okay. That is the basic rule of the mathematics. जितने टर्म्स अननोन हो उतने इक्वेशन होने चाहिए. यहां दो टर्म्स अननोन है, वन इज W एंड सेकंड इज डेल्टा U, and we have the two different equation to calculate value of W and value of U. Now, first of all, we will calculate value of W by using the formula V1 to V2 P dV. Now, we will put the value in the equation. Sorry. Now, first of all, this particular pressure is in bar. If you have not written, please write it in the example that the pressure is in bar. So when pressure is in bar and heat is given in a kilojoule, means you will calculate the work also in kilojoule and internal energy also you will calculate. Change in internal energy also you are going to calculate as a in a kilojoule. तो प्रेशर जो है वो दिया है बार में, and we want to calculate the work in a kilojoule. So tell me, with which number we will have to multiply this equation? 10⁵ से मल्टीप्लाई करना है या 10⁵ से मल्टीप्लाई करना है? मुझे वर्क किलोजूल, मुझे यस एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, मुझे किलोजूल में मुझे वर्क या डेल्टा यू कैलकुलेट करना है. सो आई विल हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विद द 10⁵. ओके. So here V1 to V2 PdV 10⁵ means multiplied by 100. Okay. Now this equation we can rewrite by providing the numbers over here. 100 constant I have taken aside. V1 is 0.1, V2 is 0.8, now what is the value of P? P is 1 upon 4 V square plus 3 dV. Okay. Now this is the equation to calculate the work. Okay. You can now solve this equation by one. First of all, you can simplify this equation. And how to simplify? Just concentrate and write with me only. Okay, don't waste the time. Along with me only, you will have to write, so we can save the time and you will understand the step also. So here 100 will be as it is, integration sign will be as it is. This is 0.1, 0.8, and a little bit correction I will make here in this equation. What correction? 1 upon 4, 1 by v square, I will write it as v raised to minus 2 plus 3 dv. क्या किया मैंने? डिनोमिनेटर का जो 1 अपॉन 4 v स्क्वायर था, सो डिनोमिनेटर का जो v स्क्वायर है वो मैंने न्यूमरेटर में लाया, तो उसकी जो पावर थी वो पावर 2 से -2 हो गई. उसकी वजह से क्या हो गया? इट विल बी वेरी इजी टू वी पीपल टू जस्ट कैलकुलेट दिस पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशन. ओके, अब इसका इंटीग्रेशन जो है वो इंटीग्रेशन बहुत ही इजी हो गया है. व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर इंटीग्रेशन? ओके, 100 will be as it is. Now, integration of this v raised to -2 divided by 4, we will have to write. How we will have to write? V raised to 2 means v raised to -2 plus 1. Am I correct? Divided by 4 into -2 plus 1 bracket complete plus this 3 dv means 3v bracket complete, lower limit 0.1 and upper limit 0.8. I will once again simplify this equation, as I have told you that you will have to go to up to the last step and then you will have to use the calculator. Okay, now what will be the equation in this particular case? The equation will be 100 in bracket v raised to -2 plus 1 means v raised to -1 divided by 4 into -1, that is -4 plus 3v bracket complete 0.1 to 0.8. Okay, so v raised to -1, it means v raised to +1 when you will shift it once again to the denominator. So 100 in bracket 1 divided by 4v minus plus 3v in bracket 0.1 to 0.8 is the simple equation. Now you will have to put first of all 0.8 in the equation at the place of v, then you will have to subtract the same equation by putting value 0.1 at V. Have you written this much part?
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Should I go ahead?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will write this once again equation by putting the value 100 into the bracket 1 upon 0.8 multiplied by -4 plus 3 into 0.8 minus 1 upon 0.1 into -4 plus 3 into 0.1. Okay. Now once again try to simplify it. 100 in bracket 1 upon minus 3.2 plus 2.4 before that you will have to put these things in the bracket. Minus 1 upon minus 0.4 plus 0.3. Now calculator is with you, correct? Tell me the answers. First of all, in bracket 1 upon minus 3.2. 1 upon minus 3.2. Yes, can anybody tell me what will be the value? 1 upon minus 3.2.
Minus 0.31.
Minus
0.31.
31. 31 plus 2.4 bracket complete minus in bracket 1 upon minus 0.4
Minus 2.5.
minus 2.5 plus 0.3 bracket complete. Once again the bracket complete. Now 100 into, now tell me, minus 0.31 plus 2.4.
2.09.
2.09. Absolutely correct. Minus or plus?
Plus.
Absolutely right. 2.09 minus this minus 2.5 plus 0.3. Simple thing is there. Minus 2.2, correct?
Correct.
Bracket complete. Now once again 100 into the bracket 2.09 plus, because minus minus will convert into plus, plus 2.2. How much it is? 100 multiplied by 2.09 plus 2.2,
4.29.
right? 4.29. It means the value of W work done is plus 429 kilojoule. Is it correct? 429 kilojoule is the correct answer. Yes, it is
Yes, sir.
correct. Yes, it is correct. 429 kilojoule is our W. Okay. So Q is equal to W plus डेल्टा U. इस इक्वेशन में हमें Q दिया था -50, हमारा W आ गया है +429. Okay. Now we will have to find out the value of du. Okay. Have you written this part?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here the equation is simple equation. I will write Q is equal to du plus W. Okay. The change in heat, it is given -50 kilojoule. Delta U is unknown, that is the internal energy, plus W we have recently calculated, that is 429 kilojoule plus positive. Positive work means work is done on the system or work is done by the system.
By the system.
Absolutely right.
the system.
By the system work is given positive. So du is equal to -50 minus 429, because this 429 will shift towards LHS. Positive sign will change into the negative sign. Okay. What do you have the value of du? -50 minus 429. It is -479 kilojoule. So internal energy of this particular system is negative. Okay. So this negative sign indicates that negative sign indicates that internal energy is decreased in the process. और अगर इंटरनल एनर्जी आपकी पॉजिटिव आ गई तो यू कैन से दैट इंटरनल एनर्जी इज इंक्रीज्ड इन द प्रोसेस. ओके. So this is the example. Now you tell me whether integration is that much difficult, whatever you are feeling. No, it is not at all difficult. How to solve the problem? there is a proper methodology and the logic. First of all, write the given things. Number two, then try to find out the formula to calculate the unknown things, and one by one start calculating the things. Okay, and once you will calculate it, put the values in the formula and get the answer. So here, first of all, we have calculated the work by the formula PdV. Okay, then dq is equal to, or q is equal to du plus w. In this particular formula, we have put the calculated work, and then we got the answer that change in internal energy is minus 479 kilojoule. Okay, so this is the one improved version of the previous type of the problem. हमने प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम में पीडीवी फार्मूला का यूज करके सिर्फ वर्क कैलकुलेट किया था. यहां वर्क कैलकुलेट करके हमने क्या किया है, इंटरनल एनर्जी भी कैलकुलेट की है, प्रोवाइडेड दैट हीट इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द सिस्टम शुड बी गिवन बाय द एग्जामिनर. सिर्फ इंटरनल एनर्जी कैलकुलेट करने के लिए आपको हीट पहले से पता होना जरूरी है. ओके, so this is the third type of the problem, third problem, and second type of the problem as compared to the previous type. Okay, have you written this? Have you written this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, let us move ahead, and I'll start the next type of the problem. Problem number 4. Okay, actually it is 5th because one problem I had given for the homework, but I will not consider it. So take the problem number 4, write down a gas in cylinder, a gas in cylinder a gas in cylinder and piston arrangement comprises the system. It expands from 1.5 meter cube to 2 meter cube. While receiving 200 kilojoule of work, 200 kilojoule of work from a paddle wheel, the pressure on gas remain pressure of gas remain constant at 600 kilopascal. At 600 kilopascal. Determine the net work done. Net and work are different words. Here it was joined by mistake. Determine the net work done by the system. 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 Okay, I'll write the example. I will read the example, and one by one we will see what thing we will have to write in the given things. Okay, so a gas in the cylinder and piston arrangement comprises the system. Means cylinder and piston arrangement is there in the system, and gas is expanding from 1.5 meter cube to 2 meter cube. So volume 1 is 1.5 meter cube and volume 2 is the 2 meter cube. Okay, initial volume V1 is 1.5, final volume V2 is the 2 meter cube. Immediately you will have to write it. Then while receiving 200 kilojoule of work from the paddle wheel, means there is a paddle wheel work. Okay, and how much is the paddle wheel work? 200 kilojoule. But this work is received. Okay, received यानी work system पे किया गया हुआ है. Work is done on the system, and that's why this particular work we have taken negative. We have denoted it with the minus sign. Now let us forget about this joule. No need to calculate it joule actually. If you will convert, then also no problem at all. But put it everything in kilojoule. Okay, why? I will tell you. So paddle work is minus 200 kilojoule. Okay, now pressure is constant and it is 600 kilopascal. Always keep in mind, when your pressure is in pascal, then your work will be in joule. And when your pressure is in kilopascal, then your work is in kilojoule. Now we want to calculate everything in kilojoule. So no need to convert this kilopascal into pascal also. Keep it as it is, 600 kilopascal. Okay. Now summation of W net means total work done is equal to W net. W net is equal to WPDV यानी displacement work plus W paddle wheel work. Paddle wheel work already they have provided to we people. So unknown thing is WPDV, and let us calculate this WPDV. So formula same, 1.5 to 2. Pressure is constant, that's why P will be as it is, and dV. P we have taken outside and dV will remain as it is. So it means the integration will be P, integration sign removed, V 1.5 into 2. means P into V2 minus V1. So P here they have written 6 into 10 raised to 5. Don't write. Directly write 600. 600 into 2 into 1.5 means 600 into 0.5, which will come as 300 kilojoule. Same answer is here, but it is in joule. 3 into 10 raised to 5. उसको आपने अगर 10 raised to 3 से डिवाइड किया तो जूल का कन्वर्जन किलो जूल में हो जाएगा. उसका आंसर आएगा 3 into 10 raised to 2 joule. Kilojoule, it means 300 kilojoule. Now net work done by the system. So net work done by the system is W displacement. How much? 300. And plus W paddle, plus paddle wheel work कितना है? minus 200. Which is equal to 300 plus minus minus, it will be 300 minus 200 is nothing but 100 kilojoule. And that is the answer only. 100 kilojoule. Okay. So here what we have done, first of all, we have understood which things are given. We have enlisted, हमने लिस्ट बनाई जो जो चीज दी हुई है. Then we have concentrated on the wordings of the example. Work is received means work is done on the system when paddle wheel work is happened in the system, and that's why paddle wheel work we have taken negative. Okay, हमने paddle wheel work जो था वो negative consider किया. Then we have put the formula. W net means summation of the work is equal to sum of all the individual works. So work due to the displacement plus work due to the paddle wheel. Okay, displacement work we need to calculate. We have put the formula integration of PdV. Pressure is constant 600 kilopascal. ये किलो पास्कल में ही दिया है. अगर यहाँ प्रेशर बार में दिया रहता था तो हमें क्या करना पड़ता था? उस बार का कन्वर्जन आपको पास्कल या किलो पास्कल में करना पड़ता था. और यहाँ किलो जूल दिया है, इसलिए आप बार को क्या करते थे? 10 raised to 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके, यानी 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करके आप बार का कन्वर्जन किलो पास्कल में कर सकते हो. लेकिन यहां जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि यहां जो प्रेशर है वो किलो पास्कल में ही दिया गया हुआ है. इथं प्रेशर किलो पास्कल मध्येच दिलेला आहे, त्यामुळे परत ह्याचं कन्वर्जन करत बसायचं नाही. कन्वर्जन कधी करायचं? जर तुम्हाला प्रेशर बार मध्ये दिला असेल तर. प्रेशर अगर बार में दिया हो तो उसका कन्वर्जन आपको पास्कल या किलो पास्कल में करना पड़ेगा. आणि बारचं कन्वर्जन पास्कल मध्ये करत असताना 10 raised to 5 नी मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. तिथं तुमचं जे काही वर्क किंवा हीट आहे ते जूल मध्ये येईल. आणि जर तुम्ही बारला 10 raised to 2 नी मल्टिप्लाय करून किलो पास्कल मध्ये कन्वर्ट केलं तर तुमचं उत्तर किलो जूल मध्ये येईल. अगर आपने बार को 10 raised to 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो आपका प्रेशर पास्कल में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, जिसकी वजह से आपका जो वर्क है वो वर्क जूल में आएगा. और अगर आप प्रेशर जो बार में है उसे 10 raised to 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो आपका जो प्रेशर है वो बार से पास्कल में, किलो पास्कल में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, जिसकी वजह से आपका जो वर्क है वो किलो जूल में आ जाएगा. ये जो कन्वर्जन है ये आपके जहन में आपको फिट करना है. ओके, एंड ऑलवेज बी केयरफुल व्हाइल सॉल्विंग एनी काइंड ऑफ द न्यूमेरिकल्स बेस्ड ऑन दिस चैप्टर यूनिट 8. you should be very much conscious about sign convention, and number 2, it's a unit और साइन कन्वेंशन के बारे में आपको अलर्ट रहना होगा, तभी आपका जो आंसर है वो करेक्ट आ जाएगा. अदरवाइज there will be very small mistake which we can be called as a silly mistake, and you can lose your mark. Okay, so this is one another example. I hope you had written this example also in your notebook. Have you written it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Boys?
सर थोड़ा राहिलं 2 मिनिट.
Yes, please. You can write. Time being, I want to tell you, day after tomorrow, I need to submit the marks for your term work.